So I've got a question here for us to think about. We've got some information about a company's sales and how it's changed over a period of years. And I want to know what's the percent change. Right? Well, percent change is really what I want you to focus on in this question because there's two concepts going on here. One is percent change, one is rate of change. Right? The names, they're very similar. That sometimes can create some confusion. The percent change we do using this formula that we talked about in the previous lecture. The one thing I really want you to notice about this is that it does not involve the time value. That 5 years is interesting to know, but it's not going to factor into our calculation where it would if we were talking about the rate of change. Okay, so we've got our formula here, and we talked about this before. The key thing is being sure you're clear on who is new versus who is old. So the new value is going to be the 12 million figure. The old value is going to be the 10 million figure. So if I substitute those numbers in, we get this expression here, 12.5 minus 10.2 over the 10.2 figure, and now it's just working with your calculator. If you do the subtraction on the top, we get this. What is that? 2,270,940. That's the absolute change. That's the absolute number of dollars that their sales increased by. And to get the percent growth, the relative number, we're going to divide that by that 10 million figure, and we get this. Now, we're not done. Right? That's the decimal version. We want the percent version. So to get the percent version, we have to multiply this by 100. We do that, we get our final answer, 22.22%. Now, you notice the question didn't specify a number of decimal points in the answer. And yeah, okay, sometimes questions will, sometimes they won't. If they don't, I usually go with 2, just kind of as my personal default. That's usually a decent level of accuracy for anything you might try to do with that number later. Right? So that's just kind of my personal choice. So if you like this video, please don't forget to click on the like button down below. The upper link here will take you to the lecture on percent change if you want to get the full context. And the link down below it will take you to another example where we talk about how to determine what value you need to achieve a certain level of growth.